Let's make a paper popper. First, we will make the simplest version, and then we will make a more complex one. For the simple one, all you need is a standard piece of A4 paper. Fold the left and right long edges to the center and then fold it in half like this. Grab these two inner corners and give it a sharp, hard snap downward. If it takes too much effort to pop, here's a pro tip. Use a smaller piece of paper. The sound might be a bit quieter, but it requires way less wrist strength and speed to get a perfect pop. That was the simplest design. Now let's move on to a more complex yet very popular one that some people actually prefer. It's assembled like this, and potentially it can deliver a louder and more consistent pop.